What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to dive into the next 3-day leads challenge we have coming up. So if you want to join us, go ahead and watch this video and see how you can jump in. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. The point of the 3-day leads challenge is to grow your connections on Facebook and also generate some leads for your business, right? So the last challenge, I added around 90 new friends. I'm on the journey to 5,000, and we're going to automate this process so we can add targeted leads every day to our Facebook. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this for yourself. This is the same process I use to actually free myself of my corporate accounting job and go full-time in digital marketing. So during the last challenge, I added about 90 friends. We'll see what we do during this next one. You guys can do the same thing and follow me during the 3-day challenge. So here's what we're going to do. It's going to be a 3-day virtual event, and what you guys will get is access to me showing you exactly step-by-step how to do this over the next 3 days. So I'm going to go live every day at 11 a.m. Eastern Time in my Facebook group where you guys can join me, show you how I have created $40K in revenue selling low-ticket SaaS products just using this strategy. So you're going to get my client attraction system, how I can make sure you never have to pay for your leads again. I'm going to show you how to do some killer cold messaging to actually add value to people up front instead of spamming people, which never works. You're going to get the follow-up system, so you'll be able to swipe my CRM and sales pipeline, implement it in your own business. You'll get the leads automation workshop. We're going to show you how to create new connections on autopilot, and if you have high-ticket sales, you can work those right into your pipeline. So we're also going to do some live coaching. We'll do Q&A every session, and I'm going to give you the same tools I use to automate this process for 30 days after the challenge is over. So I generated 90 leads during the last one. If you get 30 days, you can actually probably generate close to 900 leads during this challenge or over the course of the 30 days following. So this offer is good until the timer expires, and currently, I charge $497 a month for my coaching clients to implement strategies like this one. If I put this into a full-blown course, I'll probably charge $297, but just for this special offer, you're going to get access to the challenge for the next 3 days, as well as the tools for the next 30 days for just $47. So if you guys are interested, I'll give you the link to this below. But with that being said, I want to show you the back end as well. So I'm going to be delivering the follow-up systems using Chirply. So you can see right here, I created a sales pipeline inside Chirply for this challenge. So as soon as someone enters this pipeline, it's going to send them a text message. So I'm just going to sign up here quick so you guys can see how that works. This is my phone on the screen. Once I hit complete order, it's going to send me to the next page and also shoot me a text message. And that's how I'll be delivering the training, reminding people to show up to the live. You can see I have a text message here. You can load that up, and that's going to take me to the private Facebook group. So now you can see all I have to do is hit refresh here and a new lead that's coming to the pipeline. So if you guys want to see how this entire process works over the next 3 days, I'd be happy to show you. Hopefully you guys have some good questions and we can dive into those as well. If you're looking to find your ideal audience and connect with them on autopilot without paying for ads or wasting a lot of time and money, this would be the challenge for you. So with that being said, hope to see you guys in the challenge. The link will be in the comments and description. Go ahead and jump in with us, and we'll see you starting Wednesday.